Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
On behalf of Rebuild India Trust, I am Chairman Abhay Bhamaikar in association with Shubham Education Society. Today we launched scholarship by name Goa State Science and Technology Scholarship 2021 come free mentorship program for 2 years. ते 10वी पास जाल्ले आसा ताका 11वी सायन्स करपाची उमेद आसा इच्छा आसा तेंच्यांनी आमचो एक लिंक आसा जो आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले त्या लिंका थ्रू तांणी तांकां रेजिस्टर करपाचें.
Goa State Science and Technology Scholarship and Mentorship Program, which has been introduced for the students of 10th standard for a period of 2 years, is going to be a very good initiative, and I think the students of Goa should take this opportunity and make good use of it, because it is very important for the students that they get introduced to science and technology at a very young age.
विद्वत्ता जी आसा पळय न्ही ते क्लासांतल्या पुस्तकांतूच मेळटा अशें ना, ब्लॅक बोर्डाचेर मेळटा अशें ना. विद्वत्ता चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात मेळटली जर जाय, भुरगो एका विद्वान जातलो जर जाय, हुशार जातलो जर जाय, इंटेलिजंट जातलो जर जाय, पर्सनालिटी बिल्डअप जातलो जर जाय, जाल्यार त्या भुरग्यांनी भायर सरपाक जाय. रवी सर जो आमचा हेडमास्टर आसा पळय ताका म्हणजे करपी डोंट कीप द स्टुडंट्स ओनली इन पास एरिया. लक्षात घ्या, माझे एरिया त्या एरियेत भुरग्यांक दवरले जर जाय, दे वील नेवर बी आउट स्मार्ट इन